Namaste friends, today we will learn how to update WhatsApp on your mobile. WhatsApp provides regular updates, providing you with the latest features and security improvements. In this process, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide, which you can follow to easily update your WhatsApp. Step 1. Open the Play Store or App Store. First, you will need to open the Play Store on your Android phone or the App Store on your iOS device. Step 2. Search for WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp in the search bar and search for the WhatsApp application. Step 3. Find the Update button. When you reach the official page of WhatsApp, you will see the Update button. If your WhatsApp is already updated, Open will be displayed. Step 4. Click on the Update button. Click on the Update button. Depending on your device's settings, you may need to confirm with your password or fingerprint. Step 5. Download and install. When you click on Update, your phone will download and install the latest version of WhatsApp. This can take a few minutes, so please wait. Step 6. Open WhatsApp. When the update is complete, click on Open and enjoy your updated WhatsApp. Conclusion. So friends, this was a simple guide to updating WhatsApp on mobile. By regularly following this process, you can always keep your WhatsApp in the latest version so that you get the most advanced features and security. If you need any other help, you can always ask here. Thank you.